Om Sri Sai Ram. Swami, offering my most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of our Lord, Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. I'm extremely happy to be participating in the 75th Independence Day celebrations of our great country in Prashanti Vidya Kendra, Bayar. I wish to share some of the things that Swami said about independence, about our country and in general. Swami said, "Dear students and devotees, cultivate love and cherish divine feelings and pray for the welfare of the nation and the world." Bharat has always upheld the concept of universal well-being. All the 500 odd crores of human beings in the world are the children of one God. Don't foster narrow regional loyalties. The world is one vast mansion. Countries like America, USA, Russia, India are rooms in that mansion. The national barriers are like walls. Once the barriers are removed, humanity will be one family. National attachment should be gotten rid of. Differences of race and religion should go. Then only alone will peace reign on earth. Therefore, develop love. Love for one's motherland is good, but it should not lead to hatred towards the motherland of others. Your prayer has to be, may everyone everywhere be happy and peaceful. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. For only when the world has peace and prosperity can India be peaceful and happy. Your peace and happiness are linked with the world's peace and happiness. Any act of hatred or violence committed by you will pollute the atmosphere of the world. When you adore any living being, the adoration reaches God, for He is in every being. Similarly, insult to any living being too reaches God. So expand love towards all, everywhere. Love all, serve all. The flag is the symbol of victory, of the joy of independence. Each nation has a flag for itself. Pay attention to another flag to symbolize another laudable victory. And this is over one's lower instincts, impulses, passions, emotions and desires. This is the flag which has to be unfurled in every human heart. When you achieve this victory, you will become the true inheritors of Bharatiya or Indian culture. Swami always used to talk about the leaders who got us freedom. He used to talk about Mahatma Gandhiji. He used to speak about Subhash Chandra Bose and many other leaders in many of his discourses. And I am so happy that you are all participating in the 75th Independence Day celebration at the school. Finally, before I conclude, I would like to give a message that Swami gave to students. The motherland which bore children who earned immortal renown all around the globe, the battleground which witnessed the fight of heroes from the west who ruled, the Bharat land which shone so brilliant with seers and scholars, each a gem, the happy land which fostered and brought the fame of poets, thinkers and teachers, the birthland of the beauty and the charm divine through master artists of brush and chisel, this mother Bharat, to guard a treasure of dharma, O students, yours is the bounden task. So Swami has given us a task of taking care of our country. We should not say what the country can do for us. We should always say what can we do for the country. In this situation of the pandemic, everybody is kind of distressed. We should try to help people. This Independence Day message from me is love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. I thank the management, the district president, Mr. Mahaling Bhatt, and all the teaching, non-teaching staff of the Bayar, the Prashanti Vidya Kendra Bayar, for giving me this opportunity. I also wish to congratulate all the students who have performed very well in the exams and have excelled in their 10th standard examinations. I congratulate them and I pray to Swami to bless you all in the institution with his love and blessings. Thank you very much, one and all. Jai Sai Ram.
ಧರೆಗವತರಿಸಿದೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಯು ಸುಂದರ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ಧರೆಗವತರಿಸಿದೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಯು ಸುಂದರ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ದೇವಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸೊಬಗಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಲ ಸದಳವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
ಧವಳ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಮುಕುಟದ ಮೆರುಗು ಕಾಲ್ ತೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಜಲದಿಯ ಬುರುಗು ಗಂಗಾ ಬಯಲಿದು ಹಸುರಿನ ಸೆರಗು ಗಂಗಾ ಬಯಲಿದು ಹಸುರಿನ ಸೆರಗು ಕಣ ಕಣ ಮಂಗಳವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುರಿಯುವುದು ತುಹಿನ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದಿ ಸುಡುವುದು ಪುಲಿನ ಮಲಯಾಚಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಧದ ಪವನ ಮಲಯಾಚಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಧದ ಪವನ ಭಗೆ ಭಗೆ ಸಂಕುಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
ಹಲವು ಭಾಷೆ ನುಡಿ ಲಿಪಿಗಳ ತೋಟ ವಿವಿಧ ಪಂಥ ಮತಗಳ ರಸದೂಟ ಹಲವು ಭಾಷೆ ನುಡಿ ಲಿಪಿಗಳ ತೋಟ ವಿವಿಧ ಪಂಥ ಮತಗಳ ರಸದೂಟ ಕಾಣಲು ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿನ ನೋಟ ಕಾಣಲು ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿನ ನೋಟ ವಿಧ ವಿಧವೂ ಫಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರಿಗೆ ಇದುವೇ ನಾಕ ಖಳರಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಶಿವನ ಪಿನಾಕ ಶರಣಾಗತರಿಗೆ ಅಭಯದಾಯಕ ಶರಣಾಗತರಿಗೆ ಅಭಯದಾಯಕ ಯುಗ ಯುಗದಿ ನಿಲುವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
ಗಂಗೆ ತುಂಗೆಯರ ಅಮೃತ ಸ್ತನ್ಯ ಕುಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಜೀವನ ಧನ್ಯ ಗಂಗೆ ತುಂಗೆಯರ ಅಮೃತ ಸ್ತನ್ಯ ಕುಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಜೀವನ ಧನ್ಯ ಮುಡಿಪಿದು ಬದುಕು ನಿನಗೆ ಅನನ್ಯ ಮುಡಿಪಿದು ಬದುಕು ನಿನಗೆ ಅನನ್ಯ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣ ಬಲ ಛಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
ಧರೆಗವತರಿಸಿದೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಯು ಸುಂದರ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯ್ ನೆಲವು
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್. ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.